Another Math Olympiad question, which is greater? 2,000 raised to 3,000 versus 3,000 raised to 2,000. Okay, so to solve this, we need to make the exponent equal or same number. Okay, so we will make use of the law of exponent. We have a to the m raised to n that is equal to a to the mn. Okay, so if we have two exponents, so just we can multiply if we have two exponents. Okay, so from this we have a raised to mn, so we can factor this into m times n. Okay, so let's factor the exponent 3,000, and then for the other one we have 2,000. So we have greatest common factor of 1,000. Okay, so we can write this as 2,000 raised to 3 times 1,000. Okay, for this we have 3,000 raised to 2 times 1,000. And then let's apply this. Let's apply this law of exponent. So therefore we have 2,000 cubed raised to 1,000. And then we have 3,000 squared raised to 1,000. Now, we both have 1,000 as our exponent. So we just need to compare the 3,000 squared and then the 2,000 cubed. So which is bigger? 2,000 cubed, 2 cubed, that is equal to 8. So 2 cubed is equal to 8. So therefore, 2,000 cubed, that is equal to 8. And then we multiply the 3 zeros to 3. So therefore, we have 8 billion. Okay, so we have 8 billion raised to 1,000. Okay, and then for this one, 3,000 squared. So we have just squared the 3, so that is 9. And then double the 3 zeros, so therefore we have 900, or we have 9 million raised to 1,000. So therefore, which one is bigger? The bigger is 2,000 raised to 3,000. So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you on my other video about Math Olympiad. Bye-bye and God bless.